Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Tyler Herder. I've been selling on Amazon, doing Amazon fulfillment by Amazon for about 3 years now. And I just want to start kind of documenting my journey, share it with others out there because this is exactly how I got started, is watching someone that has already been selling on Amazon and creating kind of content around that and tutorials and things like that. Um, Kind of changed the course of my life, and I really want to do that for other people out there, especially because there's some crazy times going on right now. And e-commerce is actually growing insane amounts. I just read an article. It was like e-commerce growth has been over 80% since last year, the same time frame from just January to May, or I think it was April actually. So January to April, 80% increase. Just imagine the shift that's going to kind of occur throughout the next years. And this is the perfect time to kind of get into e-commerce and at least learn it, even if it's not through Amazon. Maybe it's through Shopify or creating your own storefront on whatever it may be, and then you can sell products on your own. Um, Today's kind of a big day for me. I've had a huge kind of learning lesson these last eight months since kind of last August of 2019. My account actually was suspended for about 5 months of that time. And I got hit with a trademark infringement, which I did not know I was doing, and I was in the wrong, which, yes, it cost me a ton of money, a ton of time, and my account getting suspended for the past 8 months. It is now May of 2020, though, and it's actually May 20th, 2020, which I kind of want to just document this day because this is the first day I am back in stock on Amazon. My inventory just got in yesterday, and I'm about to relaunch my product. The reason why I'm kind of starting this channel and why I'm making this video in general, because it's very uncomfortable to be on camera for myself. So I really just want to document it, share my journey, share what I've learned throughout kind of my journey and those mistakes that I've made so you don't make those same mistakes. But also just like taking a course, and I'm not selling a course by any means, but just watching free YouTube videos, it really did change the course of my life. And once I started selling on Amazon, it really just opened my mind to the possibilities and potential out there. It's not easy. It's a lot of hard work by any. It is a lot of hard work. It's not just like overnight you become rich. I've had a lot of kind of failures throughout the journey, but I've also had a lot of successes and just knowledge that I wouldn't kind of trade for anything. But like I said, today's May 20th, 2020. As you can see, I have zero sales, no orders at all. I'm actually 28 cents right there. No sales here. This is my account. Kind of just go to my business reports for you guys real quick, just so you guys know. Let's see. We could even do year to date right now, and I hit apply. I have not sold one unit. As you can see here, 0 units ordered. This is comparing to last year. So I have not sold at all this year. Like I said, my account was suspended. I just got it unsuspended in February, and my stuff finally just got shipped into May. Shipping has been crazy slow. I had to rebrand all my products. Yeah, I'll make another video on kind of the breakdown of the lesson I learned from that, how much money I actually lost from that, and how you can avoid making that same mistake that I did. But I just want to kind of compare this to like last year's sales. So I have not sold in the past 8 months since August, just so you guys can see kind of what I was doing during that time before my account got suspended. We'll go back to January 1st of 2019. And as you can see, this is when I was running out of stock. But January 1st, or January 2nd, I sold 103 units. And then boom, 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 I was selling out here. I have like a little bit left. Sold out, right? And I was back in stock. At this time, I literally did not have the cash flow to even continue this product. I had to ship it by sea. It's not like a heavy product, but it's just like bigger. And like production time's 30 days, and then shipping by sea is 30 days, getting into Amazon 10 to 15 days. Like it's like a 75-day lead time in regards to getting inventory in. So you can kind of see I was just running out of stock. Finally, this is when I was raising my prices in July, and I finally got a big reorder in stock, and you can kind of see what happened. I was selling 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 units a day. Got all the way up to 151 one day, doing a total of $2,400. Then you can see in September, this is when my account got suspended, all the way up into today, which I have not sold on Amazon since. In this kind of in these videos that I'm going to be posting in the future, I'm going to give some kind of tutorials and stuff, just like little things that I think is going to be helpful that I don't necessarily see other people sharing, like trademark stuff and just a bunch of different stuff, keywords, finding different keywords, how to rank your product, should you be worried about reviews, how you should pick a product, and make sure it kind of fits there's no specific criteria, but making sure that you're going to do well in that kind of niche itself. But ultimately, I want to show you guys how I'm going to relaunch my product. So that will start with like advertising and things like that. I'm not going to show you those specific keywords or the product I'm actually launching, because I do plan on selling this for a long period of time. And I don't want it to get kind of overcrowded and other people to copy kind of my designs and things like that. But I am going to show you guys kind of step from today, which I have 0 sales and I haven't started advertising, and it's not all my products are in stock by any means, but from a month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months from now, I'm going to build this back up to doing around 30, 40, even hopefully $50,000 a month in revenue over the course of the next 6 months. And you guys are going to kind of follow along with me, see those sales increase, kind of see the process behind the scenes, and I'm going to be kind of talking through that, giving you guys some tips, tricks, advice. Hopefully, I inspire someone else to start kind of their e-commerce journey. That's why I'm doing this. If I can change the course of, like I said, 1, 2, 3 people's lives, my job here is done. And that's truly what I want to be doing. Last thing I want to say, another reason why I'm making this video, I might be rambling on right now, but when all this stuff started happening and everything kind of went downhill, the one thing I was thinking about was, wow, I wish I would have documented this whole thing. Like, how crazy would it have been to kind of look back on this and see the different changes in my mindset, but also my approach on Amazon and how to kind of better myself. And if I could show other people like kind of what I was going through. So I want to document this one, build it back up. You guys are going to see my failures, my successes, whatever it may be. So hop on for the ride. Let's get into it. Let's crush it this 2020. It's a weird start, but that just means we can finish off better. Stay safe and enjoy what's to come. We'll see you guys.